gonna start off by emptying our clothes from the laundry bag into the washer. Remember not to put your laundry bag into the washer, rather empty it. Go ahead and insert your card. Select your machine cycle. Select the soil, the cycle, and the temperature, and push start. Now here's a cool feature how you can track your laundry. You basically scan the QR code and enter Green River College when it asks you to select your property. Scroll until you find the machine that you're using, and the number on the machines will correspond with the number on the list. You select the machine, enter your phone number, and it will notify you once your laundry is done. Now you can put your clothes in the dryer and do the same steps with the laundry view. And don't forget to take the lint out of the dryer once your clothes are dried.